Hello everyone, this short video will be on the single order system. So what is a single order system? This is a one-time order. You get one order, a single order, right? Either you have the items or you don't have the items. There's no reordering, there's no back ordering, there's no second truck of this coming in next week. This is very common in seasonal items. It's not really common outside of that. So as the pictures up there show, something like Peeps or Christmas trees, you're ordering ahead of time, and you're not going to order those again throughout the season. Usually a very short sales season is a driving force behind this. It may or may not have a salvage value or a disposal cost. So it might be worth nothing. You might throw it away at the end of the season. Or you might have to dispose of it. So you might actually have to pay someone to take it away. So if example would be Christmas trees, if after the season is done that you are simply able to donate them someplace, then it has a zero salvage value or zero disposal cost. If you are paying the county landfill to take them from you, then you will have a negative salvage value or a disposal cost. Or in the instance of things like Halloween or Easter candy, after the season passes, then you simply discount the price by half and you'll be able to recoup some of that cost. You may not actually make a profit, but you're able to salvage some of your input. All right, so let's talk about the formula. So the formula is pretty simple. So we have cost of shortage. That is simply the profit or margin. You might see it labeled as such in problems. You might say you're selling something for a profit of X. If I'm saying that, then that's the CS. Otherwise, you take a look at your selling price, how much you're purchasing this for, and how much you're selling it for. So it's simply selling price minus your cost. Cost of overage is the lost value if you don't sell it. So again, this could be a disposal cost, and then it'll be a negative salvage value, or it could be a salvage value. So if you're selling something for $1 and you're paying 50 cents for it, right, then 50 cents is your CS. And if you are able to salvage that for a quarter, so your CO would be your 50 cent cost minus your quarter. So let's work through an example problem. So these are the knowns. So we have our selling price, our cost, and our salvage. So we don't have that many inputs going into this. And our CS is our selling price minus our cost. So we get a CS of 18. And our CO is our cost minus our salvage value, 2. So now we're going to use this to determine our desired service level. So we have CS over CS plus CO. So simply 18 divided by 18 plus 2, which gives us 0.9 or a 90% service level. So this is similar to when we've talked about other service levels. We desire to have 90% chance of fulfilling those orders. So of course then we need to use our Z table. So when we convert service level to our order quantity, we have our mean demand, just like all the other functions we've talked about. We're talking about the average demand plus our safety stock. So if we came up with a service level of 50%, then we would simply use our mean demand. But if we want to have greater than 50%, we need to incorporate this, which is effectively our safety stock. So again, I've color-coded all of these. We know that our Z is going to be 1.29 for 90%. And remember that we have a 0.9 service level. Our standard deviation of demand is going to be 20. And our mean demand is going to be 100. So then we have our mean demand 100 plus our safety stock, which is our 1.29 times 20. We do some quick math, and we come up with our order quantity of 125. So in an average year, we sell 100. Half the years we sell more than that, half we sell less. We know if we have 125, we'll say Christmas trees on our Christmas tree lot, then we know that we have a 90% chance of satisfying our customers' needs. But we also have a pretty good chance of having an overage on hand. But due to the way the costs play out, we're not real concerned about that. So this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, please let me know.